How to download Instagram app on iPhone 8 Plus. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data network. Now, open the App Store from your home screen. In the search bar, type Instagram, then tap Search on the keyboard. You'll see the official Instagram app developed by Instagram Inc. Tap the Get button to begin downloading it. If you've downloaded Instagram before using the same Apple account, you may see a cloud download icon instead of Get. Simply tap the cloud icon to download it again. If prompted, authenticate the download using Touch ID, your Apple account password, or your device passcode. Wait for the download to finish. Once it's installed, tap Open. Now you can sign in with your existing Instagram account or tap Create New Account to make a new one. That's it. This is how you can download and install Instagram on your iPhone 8 Plus. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.